seen in the streets. One policeman was struck with a shoe. Several of the injured were rescued by McCarthy workers and taken to a first aid room in the candidates' convention headquarters. David Shoemaker talked to one of the wounded.
But it looked to me like they just charged, and they started swinging. And I fell along with, I would say, several guys and about 10 girls. And I tried to cover several girls and myself and just lay there on the street, face down. And I was pulled off and clubbed, and then I was dragged towards the paddy wagon and clubbed again, and we pushed the paddy wagon when I felt faint and started to fall towards the ground. And the only reason I was safe was because a Negro policeman stepped in. And I saw many, many people get clubbed with just no reason at all. They were just swinging their clubs like just a bunch of idiots.
In attacking reporters, camera lights were seized and smashed, power cords pulled, and several newsmen were arrested, taken to jail, and then released without having charges placed against them. Volunteer first aid corpsmen and medical students were driven away from injured demonstrators. After clearing that Mayor Daley forbid the demonstrators was made in reverse by several hundred sympathetic delegates who walked 5 miles from Convention Hall to the Hilton Hotel in protest to the police who cleared the streets. John Lawrence, CBS News, Chicago.